The mean value theorem guarantees the existence of a special point on the graph of y between 2, 0 and 6, 2. Find the coordinate of this point. Okay, let's say we have the graph of y in the xy plane. X-axis here, y-axis here. So graph is radical function. It looks like that, right? This is 2, 0. This is 6, 2. Mean value theorem says that the slope of this secant line is equal to the slope of this tangent line at some point x between 2 and 6. Well, exactly, there exists at least one value x in this interval such that slope of secant line is equal to slope of tangent line. So let's find the slope of this secant line first. That's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that is equal to 2 minus 0 over 4. That's 1/2. So slope of this tangent line must be equal to 1/2. Slope of tangent line is y prime, right? So y prime is equal to, since y is square root of x minus 2, that's x minus 2 to the power of 1/2. That's 1/2 x minus 2 negative 1/2. So let me write the slope down here. 1/2 times x minus 2 to the power of negative 1/2, that's 1 over square root of x minus 2, and this is equal to 1/2. Then if we solve this equation, cancel 1/2 out. 1 over root x minus 2 must be equal to 1. So root x minus 2 is equal to 1. Square each side, x minus 2 is equal to 1. Then x is equal to 3. So x coordinate of this point right here, that's 3. And when x is 3, y is equal to root 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. So the coordinate is 3, 1. That's our answer.